This sounds like another AI app launch, but the real story is much more ordinary than that. A lot of Mac users are about to build a new tiny habit. Instead of opening another tab and manually explaining the problem, they will just hit Option plus space and ask about whatever is already on screen. Google launched a native Gemini app for macOS today. Not just a website in a pretty coat, a desktop layer that sits inside normal work. You can call it up from anywhere, share the exact window you are looking at, hand it local files, and get help without doing the old ritual of copy, paste, switch, explain, and sigh. If you are staring at a dense chart, Gemini can summarize it. If you are fixing a spreadsheet, it can suggest the formula. If you are working on slides or a design, it can help while the actual file stays right in front of you. That sounds small. Small is the point. Daily behavior changes when friction gets insultingly low. Browser AI still feels like a place you visit. Desktop AI feels like a reflex. And once help becomes a reflex, people stop treating AI like a special event and start using it in the middle of normal life, while budgeting, reading class material, cleaning up email, or trying to understand one rude little graph before lunch. The bigger shift here is context. Old AI workflows made you translate your problem into text. This new model says, just show me the thing. That is a big deal for ordinary people because most real work is visual, messy, and annoyingly specific. It lives in windows, documents, screenshots, and files, not in perfect prompts typed from a blank page like you are auditioning for Prompt Engineer of the Month. And yes, this changes habits beyond work. Once people get used to an assistant that can see the page, the file, or the chart they are already dealing with, they will expect every computer to work that way. The old pattern was hunt for information. The new pattern is summon help in place. That shifts what a desktop feels like. Less folder maze, less tab cemetery, more on-demand interpretation. So no, the real story is not that Gemini now has a Mac app. The real story is that look at this and help me right here is becoming a default computer behavior. The winning AI products will not be the ones that feel most magical in a demo. They will be the ones that quietly delete the dumb little steps people hate doing every day.